Well, hello there. Fought with your father in the Clone Wars. What's up, guys? Isaiah here. It is Wednesday. Let's see what's going on here in Latrobe. First off, we'll go this way. We have our PPF techs working on a brand new Model 3. We're doing a track package as well as wear and tear kit for paint protection film. After that, we're going to finish up with a ceramic coating. And believe it or not, this is actually a car for a new driver just about to get her license. Super exciting for sure. We have here a GMC Sierra. Came here for us to tint the front windows to match the rear section. It's complete, waiting to go home. And we actually had someone give me a little bit of issue last week because there's something I forgot to mention. If you look here, this beautiful red wine colored looking 300, our boy Dean, flat glass man, just got his dream car, brand new, beautiful V8. He's working on it piece by piece, getting PPF on it. Looking great so far. And who knows, maybe you'll find him on the road, go race him. We have this beautiful Audi right here in front of me. It is going to be getting an annual checkup done. Had a ceramic coating. Just need to make sure we do that yearly maintenance to maintain that warranty. Should be getting done here towards the end of the week. Once that's done, customer will pick up, and that brings us up to our next appointment here. Got this awesome looking Cayman GTS. Came here, customer literally just picked this up. It's a 2016. And he wanted to protect it as best as possible. So we are tinting the windows, which have already been done. We're going to do a track package with PPF, and then we'll follow up with a ceramic coating to finish things off. Looking great so far. Things are gonna get even better. But let's go walk up front and see what we got. So the last thing that we have out front here is this beautiful AMG GT63S. Customer initially was only going to do a track package, but we talked to him, said, hey, a vehicle of this caliber needs protected fully, and he agreed with us. So we're going to be doing a full paint protection film install. We had the windows tinted already, and that's up next in the process. But you know, that's all we got on the inside, or outside rather. Let's go on the inside. All right, guys, behind me is this black Lexus here. It was here a couple weeks, might look familiar. Just came back for some touch up on certain things. Just getting that cleaned up. We'll get it back to the customer today. And then behind it, we did a couple different things here. Did a ceramic coating, tint. It's not very often that we do vinyl anymore, but we did vinyl the hood for him. Customer's been coming to us for a long time. So if you look at the back of this rear windshield here, just want to say shout out to Franco Alexander, and he's always been coming to us. We appreciate the business as always. Then behind that RAV4, we have this Ram Warlock. Came here for a ceramic coating. The vehicle is up next in the process. We're gonna get that metallic red flake polished up, looking great, and then we'll get it coated. Got this 4xe here. Switched out some badges for him. Did a ceramic coating. Looking great right now. Just in the final stages here. We'll get things going on and get it back to the customer. This is Max, if you didn't know. He's one of our paint protection film techs. He's doing a great job. And he is going to be working on this Z06. It's never a week here at Blackout with... It is never a work week at Blackout without having a Z06 or C8 in the shop. So we have this beautiful orange here that's going to be getting a full 10 mil wrap as well as coating. And then we already tinted the windows for him. Looking great. PPF process is starting. We're getting it prepped and we'll be moving forward with that. Got this beautiful street glide here. If you take a look at the white parts of this paint, in the clear coat, there's some sort of blue hue to it that just comes through, and it's amazing. I absolutely love the color of this vehicle. It's actually finished, just needs to do one final look through. We'll call the customer and get it back to them. But then as always, T is working hard, getting tint done. We have a 17 ATS from Cadillac, getting a full XR Plus tint install at 5%. So we're going dark as dark can be, and we're gonna block out the most heat. But anyhow, that's it. That's all I got going on for here in Latrobe. Luke, I know you're back in Gibsonia. What do you got going on?
What's up, guys? It's Wednesday, and there's another busy week here at the Gibsonia shop. Let's take a walk inside and check it out. Outside, we have this brand new 2023 Roush F-150. This is in for some paint protection film. It's getting our track package on the entire front and lower sides, along with the two front windows and our Prime XR 20% to match the back section, topped off with an XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Next up, we have this beautiful 488 Ferrari. This is from our good friend Ravi. So this was on the NU Rally out of California. That rally was 1,700 miles, went around Lake Tahoe, Park City, Zion, and Vegas. And after the rally, he fell back in love with the vehicle. So we brought it back to Pittsburgh, to the North Pittsburgh shop here, to have the PPF taken off, the Clearplex taken off, and we're going to be redoing the entire vehicle in Ultimate Plus paint protection film, along with some windshield protection. Next up, we have a completed PPF job, this one on a Porsche 911. This got our full front paint protection film and our XPEL Ultimate Plus. Another completed job is this 2022 Audi S5. This one also got some paint protection film, but this one got our track package. That includes the entire front and lower sides of the vehicle. Next up for our Fusion Plus ceramic coating is this 2020 Chevy Camaro. This one, of course, is a soft top, so we're going to be coating not only the soft top and the paint, but also the entire wheels, calipers, and any accent pieces. Back in the tint bay, we have Ian doing his thing on this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This one's getting our Prime XR 20% tint on the two front windows to match the factory tinted rear section. Next up is this 2022 Mach 1. This was in the shop for a full front paint protection film, and it's back in this week for a 2-week checkup. In the PPF bay, we have Steve doing some touch-up work on this brand new Tacoma. This got our track package, so the entire front, lower doors, rocker panels, and our Ultimate Plus paint protection film. On the lift, we have Austin doing our full wrap of the week. No surprise here, it's a C8. So this one is getting our full wrap. So all of the torch red pieces, along with all the carbon flash accents, will be protected in Ultimate Plus. Once that is done, we'll be topping it off with an XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating. That's all for Gibsonia. Let's kick it down to Kevin in Miami.
What's going on, guys? I'm out in the field today talking to the school behind me about safety and security film. They're getting ready to upgrade all of their entranceways with silver reflective film. That way they can see out and you can't see in, and it keeps people from being able to break inside. Talk to you more about that later.
What's up, guys? This is Nate from Blackout, Tinting, Miami. Let's check out what we have going on the shop this week. Here over in the PPF bay, we have a brand new 2023 Lexus RX 500H. It's gonna be getting our PPF track package, so that's gonna protect that full front end, mirror caps, rocker panels, and then also a piece in front and behind the rear wheel to help protect that susceptible area from rock chips. We're also be doing our XR Plus 55 ceramic tint on the windshield to help darken it up a little bit. It wouldn't be Blackout Miami without another C8 Corvette. This is a Stingray R edition. They got the hood decals and also the side decals and center caps. It's got a track package with our paint protection film, so that's the full front end, rocker panels, and then a piece around that rear wheel. Also got a XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating over everything, as well as the glass and the wheels. This 2019 Mercedes E63S AMG has some PPF damage at the dealership, so we're just getting that replaced. The owner of this 2018 Porsche Cayman, he was in previously for an XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Over time, over driving, he realized he started getting some rock chips on the front end and around those rear quarters. So this week, we're gonna be doing a removal of the ceramic coating, and applying our paint protection film, and then applying the ceramic back over top of the paint protection film. This 2023 Subaru BRZ got the windows tinted with our XPEL XR Black 20% on the sides and back, and then it's windshield protected with our XR Plus ceramic 55%. That's a little bit of going in the shop this week. If you like what you saw, make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let us know how we're doing.